Snail Mail Friends. Welcome to a new How to Start tutorial for snailmailfriends.com. In this video, I will show you where you can find the feedback you've received on a swap. In my test database, I have moved my received swaps to the archive. So if you haven't done that, you will find your swap in the all sent outgoing, or if you're checking your own feedback, of course, in the incoming section. But in this case, I will go to Swap Tracker and Archived Swaps. There I find two of my swaps, and the one I'm going to look into is the YouTube test swap. So we click this one. You can see it has been received over the course of 23 days. The rating of 4 stars was given, 4 hearts, and the feedback we're looking for. And if you want to reply to the feedback, you can always send a private message. If you have any questions about this, please let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them.